How to activate your Ocean credit card. Welcome and let's get right into this video. For this, you need to launch a preferred browser in your device. Search for oceanfinance.co.uk. It will redirect you to the official webpage of Ocean Bank. You can activate it online through the website, or even if you have a mobile application, you can activate your Ocean credit card through it. Now for this, if your credit card is issued by Capital One and has the Ocean logo on it, you can activate it through the Capital One's online platform as well. If your credit card is from a different financial institution, you will have to provide the name of the bank or issuer, which can assist you with the activation process, for which you need to check out the help and support of Ocean Bank. The general step for the activation is to navigate to the official website of your credit card issuer. If it is the Capital One, head over to the Capital One official website. Look for a Activate Card or similar option. You will have to enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV. Create an banking account if you have not yet. Then just follow the on-screen instruction and there you have it. Right in your palms or digitally, you will be having yourself your Ocean credit card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.